Pada kesempatan ini, acara sosialisasi keputusan Direktur Jenderal Perhubungan Laut nomor KPDJPL 468 tahun 2024 tentang pelaksanaan kewenangan dalam penyelenggaraan pelayanan kapal di lingkungan Direktur Jenderal Perhubungan Laut pada kantor pusat bandara dan otoritas pelabuhan kelas 1 Palembang dinyatakan dibuka.
Get into it, get stupid, get it started, get it started, get it started. Let's get it started, let's get it started in here. Let's get it started, let's get it started in here. Let's get it started, let's get it started in here. Let's get it started, let's get it started in here. Yeah. Lose control of body and soul. Don't move too fast, people, just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. Y'all hear about it? The P's will do it. Get started, get stupid. Don't worry about it, people will walk you through it step by step like an infant new kid. Inch by inch with the new